How to naturally plump your lips and look half your age. Yes, it is possible. And yes, it makes you look younger. It's why lip fillers are probably the #1 area filled now, I would say, even more than nasolabial folds, because lips make people look younger, and I'm always asked this. Let's look at this picture. You look before any lip enhancement, we'll say, and now look with the enhancement. What do you think looks better? What do you think looks more youthful? If you look at this picture, what do you think? Sometimes there's even more color. When the lips look a little healthier, a little more red, people look younger. And there's proof and science to this. So you can see from these pictures, lips can really enhance and balance a face and even take 10 or 20 years off their age in many cases. Now, how do we get to it? If you like these videos, click like and subscribe. In the more info below, there's a link where you can ask questions, and I tape it and we'll play it back. And you can ask your question, we'll play your voice, I'll answer it. I want to bring more value to these videos. #1 is a lip plumper. Now with a lip plumper you get instant results because there's products in there such as camphor and slight irritants to the skin that actually have some long-term benefit that can instantly plump it. In mine as an example, I also have a retinol, and you know what retinols do and how youthful they make the skin look, but the lips have lines too, and of course have skin and mucous membrane, and retinol helps there. There's peptides, which of course help build collagen and add a youthful look. And there's niacin. You know niacinamide, how much I like it. Niacin has a slight irritant effect and makes the lips look more red. You can see as it's being applied, the lip just looks more red, looks more youthful, and in the before and afters, you can see the result. Now when you have peptides, there's long-term benefit of plumping. So it's not just when you apply it, but when people have applied this product and we studied it, if they've done it for 30 days and they've applied once to twice daily, they get 30 days longevity after their last application of enhanced lip effect. And this was studied. So lip enhancers, I'm a big fan. They're accessible to people. They're inexpensive, well tolerated, and they yield great results. #2, we can use energy. Now there's no injections here, but we're using radio frequency, RF energy, to heat. And it does a couple things. Denatures the proteins, helps build collagen, helps make the little bit of fat that our lips have a little more healthy, increases blood flow, increases color. And again, you get a longer term effect. This is Plump RF as an example of one type of treatment that we do in our clinic, but energy can be applied not just to the face, not just to the hands and body for cellulite, tightening skin, but also to the lips. Many people don't know that, and it is all natural. It's energy, no injections, nothing enters the body, but it's heat. It works by heating. #3, and this is an injection. I used to talk about plasma lip with the liquid PRF. We now have a new advancement of PRF gel or easy gel. And that's where we heat a component of the blood, make a gel product, put the blood products that contain the growth factors, mesenchymal stem cells back into the heated gel, and then inject it. Now we can use it many places in the face. I love it in many areas, and it can be used for hair growth as well, but in the lips is wonderful. It actually works great. It helps the fat pads, it helps regenerate. There's something called vascular endothelial growth factor, VEGF, and that's one of the ones that help increase blood flow, helps make the environment of wherever you put it more healthy, and the lip is no exception. And you get immediate plumping, but also most importantly those growth factors to help build collagen, to help give a more red appearance, and it can last quite a long time, especially if you're on healthy diet, exercise, and you maintain your skin and avoid too much sun exposure, alcohol, and unhealthy habits. So that's another long lasting. Now, it is an injection, but it's all natural. There's no additives to this. There's no heparin, sodium citrate, nothing added in. There's no filler here. It's all 100% from a blood draw, heating a portion, and spinning it. So those are 3 great options, because lips do indeed make people look natural, and I worry that we're adding too much lip fillers, distorting the face, and it's often hard to dissolve it all, even though people will say, well, lip fillers are easy to dissolve. That may be, but oftentimes we can't get rid of it all. And the face ends up distorted from these fillers, and a lot of times people don't see that. All natural products like Easy Gel, like the heating, like Plump RF, and like the topical that I talked about, won't give you that distorted look. What do you think about lip fillers, or do you just like that bam, bam, fill look? Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned here. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.